everyone, Sid here back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn about how to install Django 2 in your Mac machine using pip and virtual environment. So let's start with installing some command. I have terminal. I need to go on terminal. I'm going to 1 second open. Now 1 second, let's zoom so you can visualize. So now I'm the root directory. I'm going to install brew install python. Okay, now once this command is run, we need to check brew. So 1 second is already installed in my Mac machine. You can install from your machine. So, okay, so I'm going to use pip3. Now is working. Now I'm going to type python 3. Now is perfect. Now we need to install virtual environment. Okay, so how to install virtual environment? You need to type python -m vnv virtual environment to whatever you want. You can type from here. Okay, I'm going to within a environment, sorry, cd env 1 or 2 we have already, so I'm going to 2, and after that we need to go. This process is done from my side. Now we need to come outside. 1 second, I'm inside the folder. Now here we need to activate source bin activate. Now look, we are the inside of the virtual host. Let's here look, we have the virtual environment 2, so we are inside the virtual environment 2. Now we need to do install Django. Which python, if you want to check, you can check from here, run of the command which python. So we are the inside the this pythons. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to install Django. Let's run this command, pip3 install Django. After this successfully command run, we need to upgrade. Now this is successfully done. Now we need to upgrade. Pip install upgrade pip. This is also successfully done. Now we need to create project. I am going to look here. This command is a Django -admin. Look here, Django -admin start project and project name whatever you want. So I'm going to type here blog. We have written a small mistake, so now cd blog. Now you can check here, we are the inside of the blog folder. Now we need to run, so I'm going to type python manage.run server. Now we need to type run server. Now we are get one URL, just hit on the server. Now you can check here Django 2.2 is successfully installed in our machine. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.